So, Neural DSP just decided to release the new Archetype Petrucci X plugin, which is the updated version of the Archetype Petrucci plugin. This is the first Neural DSP product that I ever bought, so this plugin is quite special for me. I decided to demo the plugin playing some Architect songs with it, so I can show this amp's ability with low-tuned modern metalcore riffs, because that is what I mostly do. And I want to say that I am not sponsored by Neural DSP in any way. I have bought this plugin back in 2020 something with my own money, and this upgrade to the X version was obviously free.